Good morning, students. Again, I am here, and in today's class, we'll start with some practice of questions, which topic we have already done in our last class. And in last class, we have done a chapter quadratic equation, in which we have done a basic of quadratic equation and roots of the quadratic equation, methods to determine to find the roots of the quadratic equation, and discriminant we have done, which determines the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Yes or no? So today we'll start with some questions so that topic much clear for all of you. So let us start. Okay, all of you please write down one question. Okay, all of you please write down one question, and the question is, if one root of the quadratic equation, here QE represent the quadratic equation, if one root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 6 is equal to 0 is to find the value of k, also find the other root, Okay, the question is, there is a question of quadratic equation in which one root of the quadratic equation is given to you, and we need to find out the other root as well as the value of k. Class C. In quadratic equation, we all know that we have two roots. Okay, two roots means there are two possible values of x for which the quadratic equation take place. Now one root of the quadratic equation is given to you, that is 2. It means the one value of x is equal to 2. We need to find out the other value of x. Yes or no? Yes. And as I told you, the quadratic equation is always in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers and a is not equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real number and a is not equal to 0. Yes or no? Okay, now class, let us do the solution of this question. So I want space, I will rub the question, and I hope you all have already written the question. Now the question is, if one root of the quadratic equation is 2, and the quadratic equation we have, that is 2x square plus kx minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, and one root for this equation is equal to 2, यानी कि x की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे 2. So what we have to do to find out the value of k, this value of x equal to 2 we need to put in a given equation, because x is equal to 2 is a root of the equation. Okay, so we'll write 2 x square, the value of x is 2 whole square plus k, and the value of x again we will put 2 minus 6 equal to 0. Now 2 square is what? 4 into 2 is what? 8 plus k into 2, 2k minus 6 is equal to 0. Now 8 minus 6 is what? 2 plus 2k is equal to 0. So it is 2k. This 2 go to the right hand side, so it become minus 2 because sign will change. Now k is equal to what? Minus 2 upon 2, cancel 2 and 2, so the value of k is equal to minus 1. This is the first part of the question. In CBSE, this type of question will come in 3 marks, 1.5 for this particular step, and in second step we need to find out the other value of x. So for finding the other value of x, first we put k is equal to minus 1 in a given equation. So the equation will become 2x square, and instead of writing k we'll write minus 1. So plus minus 1 into x minus x, है ना, minus x, and here minus 6 is equal to 0. Yes or no? What we have done, we put x is equal k is equal to -1. K is equal to -1. Now this is the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation because the highest degree of x is 2. Now to find out the other value of x, again we have a first method, that is factorization method or splitting the middle term, in which what we have to do, we need to split the middle term so that the sum or difference of the two value of the two term is equal to -x, or the product is equal to 2 into 6, 12. So what are the possible values? 4 and 3. But when we add 4 and 3, 7 will come. We need to find the value 1. So -4 plus 3. So the equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so 2x square minus 4x. Now from first two terms we take common 2 and x, so in bracket it become x minus 2. Yes or no? And here we'll take 3 common, so in bracket x minus 2. As I told you, when we do the factorization, these linear equation, these linear terms must be same inside the bracket. If it is not same, it means we have done some mistake in our above steps. Yes or no? Okay, now we'll take this x minus 2 common, and in another bracket the other remaining values 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Now to find out the value of x, first x minus 2 is equal to 0, so the value of x is equal to 2, and again 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, so the value of x is minus 3 upon 2. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. One root is already given, x equal to 2, and the another root is x equal to minus 3 upon 2. So I hope this question is clear to all of you. This type of question will come in CBSE exam. So make sure you all are doing practice of this question from the NCERT as well as from the R.D. Sharma book. Yes or no? Okay, let us take another example. In which we need to find out the value of x for the quadratic equation by the quadratic method. Okay, so let us do one question. Write down the question, all of you. First write down the question. The question is, find the value of k, find the value of k for which the following equation, for which the given equation, for which the given equation has equal roots, and the equation given to you, k minus 12 bracket close x square plus 2 k minus 12 x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the question, and this type of question is come in 3 to 4 marks. Now we'll read the question again. Here the quadratic equation is given to you. We need to find the value of k so that the given equation has equal root. So beta, in last class I told you the condition for the equal roots, and the condition for the equal roots is d is equal to 0, because when d is equal to 0, which means discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. And there is one another case, when the roots are distinct, and for the distinct d is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct, different aate the. Yes or no? But here the condition is already given to you that the roots there are equal roots. So for equal roots we have one condition, d is equal to 0. And what is the formula for d? I told you, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now beta, a, b, c as we know are the coefficients and the constant of the quadratic equation, where a is the coefficient of x square, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So I hope you all have written the question. Now let us start with the solution. Okay, so for it we'll remove it, we'll erase it, and I will write the equation again. The equation which is given to us is k minus 12 and x square plus k minus 12, then x, then plus 2. Okay, then plus 2. Now beta roots are real now, it means d is equal to 0. D equal to 0 what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now please tell me what is the value of b here? The value of b is the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x here is k minus 12. So instead of writing b, we'll put the value of b, which is equal to k minus 12 whole square. Why whole square? Because b square, it means the value of b is k minus 12, whose square we need to find, b square. Now minus 4, a is what? The coefficient of x square, which is equal to what? K minus 12. And then c we have, c is what? Constant term, and c is in product with a, so multiply by 2, which is equal to 0. Yes or no? Okay, now in next step we need to find out this equation. So what we will have to do, it will become k minus 12 whole square minus, now 4 into 2, 8, and in bracket it is k minus 12 equal to 0. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. Okay, what we have done, 4 into 2, 8. Now beta see, there are two terms. In first term k minus 12 whole square we have, and in another term we have 8 into k minus 12. So in both the term there is one factor which we have common, that is k minus 12. So take k minus 12 common, and in another bracket write down all the uncommon terms. Okay, so in first term we have k minus 12 square, so one k minus 12 is common, another k minus 12 will write in bracket. Okay, and in another term, second term, k minus 12 already we have taken common, so remaining term is with sign minus, that is 8, minus 8. Yes or no? Now we'll solve it further. So it is k minus 12, and in another bracket k minus 12 minus 8 minus 20, which is equal to what? 0. Which is equal to what? 0. Now we have two linear equations, k minus 12, k minus 20, है ना? तो हम क्या करेंगे एक बार, what will do? k minus 12 equal to 0, 8. Yes, and in next term k minus 20 is equal to 0. K minus 20 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 12 and k is equal to 20. So two possible values we have for k, 12 and 20. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. So that type of question will come in exam. Okay, let us do one another question so that that concept will become more clear to all of you. And let us write down the question. Yes, write down the question. Find the value of k, find the value of k for which the equation x square plus 5kx square plus 5kx plus 16 is equal to 0 has no real root. ये क्वेश्चन है आपका हॉट्स, हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स, हॉट्स. Okay, and this is one of the important question as CBSE bifurcate the students exam in two ways, standard and basics. So this type of question will come in advanced or in standard examination paper, question paper. Okay, so class first will understand the concept of the question. Okay, what we have to do, we need to find out the value of k. The quadratic equation is given to you. The quadratic equation is x square plus 5kx plus 16 equal to 0. has no real roots, has no real root. What is the condition for no real root? No real root, d is less than 0, d is less than 0. अब आप बोलोगे सर आपने तो बोला था when the roots are unreal or no they when there are no real roots, so will not do the solution further. So yes, we are not doing the solution further, but we are supposed to find out the value of k for which the given equation has no real roots. We are not going to find out the value of x, but we are here supposed to find out the value of k, so that for the given value of k which we have calculated, that makes the equation no real roots. Yes or no? Now again, the quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. The quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When we compare it, the value of a is what? In a given equation 1, as I told you, when there is no number given with a variable, then we will take 1. Okay, then b is equal to what? 5k, and c is equal to what? 16. C is equal to what? 16. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. Yes or no? Okay, now we'll erase it and we'll do the solution for you. See, the condition has no real roots. The condition has no real roots, and when there is no real root, it means d is lesser than 0. What is d? B square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. As I told you, what is the value of b in a given equation? The value of b is 5k to the whole square minus 4. The value of a is what? 1 into the value of c is what? 16, lesser than 0. 5 square is what? 25. K square is what? K square minus 4 into 16 is what? Tell me, it's 64, which is lesser than 0. Beta, see, this is the equation of inequality. This is the equation for inequality. अभी तक हम जो इक्वेशंस बढ़ रहे थे वो इक्वालिटी के लिए बढ़ रहे थे जिसमें इक्वल साइंस होते थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है? लेसर देन और ग्रेटर देन, इट मेक्स द इनइक्वालिटी इक्वेशन. हम 11th क्लास में इसको बहुत ब्रीफली पढ़ेंगे, बट राइट नाउ जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, जस्ट कीप इट इन योर माइंड, दिस टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड inequality equation. Okay, now see, we'll solve it in a same way which we have method, which we have steps will take in equality method. So next step is what? 25 k square lesser than minus 64, move to this side, become plus 64. Now in another step 25 k square na, so k square we have which is lesser than 64 upon 25. 25 denominator में आ जाएगा. Okay, now it will become k square lesser than 64 and 25. 64 is the square of what? 8, and the 25 is the square of what? 5. But we'll take minus and plus both the terms here, है ना? So it will become, or we'll take k is lesser than 8 upon 5 but greater than minus 8 upon 5. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? k की वो सारी वैल्यूज जो माइनस 8 अपॉन 5 से तो बड़ी हैं बट 8 अपॉन 5 से स्मॉल हैं. द ऑल वैल्यूज ऑफ k विच इज ग्रेटर देन माइनस 8 अपॉन 5 बट लेसर देन 8 अपॉन 5, दैट पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू ऑफ k, दैट ऑल वैल्यूज ऑफ k will make the given quadratic equation for the no real roots. For the no real roots. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. Yes or no? Okay, so wait.